Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with the Sub channel. In this video we will create this single page professional portfolio website in React.js with Bootstrap. Okay, so this is a single page application. In the front page you have information about yourself, and also you have the list of the projects. Whenever you click on the project 1 and click back on it, it will show the back the welcome page. Okay, see project 2 again welcome, project 3 again welcome. Okay, so and also you can contact with you on the Gmail or the GitHub or the LinkedIn, and also it is the footer. These are the styles. So this portfolio website we will create in this video. So let's get started. Before starting, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start. So first of all we will create our React app, npx create React app, and then the name, and we will install the Bootstrap. Okay, after installing this we will start our coding. First of all I will create a file by the name of home, and also a file home.js, home.css. After creating these two files I will import it in the app.js. okay, I will just input it here. After it, so let's write our code in our home page. React functional component, export it. The first thing is that to create a div and use the Bootstrap, I will import the Bootstrap. I think I have imported it in the index page. Yeah, I imported the Bootstrap here. Now I will just assign classes to this. It should be duplex, not duplex, just width should be 100, vertical height should be 100, and bg should be dark, background is dark. Okay, so now let's create another div element, assign a class to this container md. Okay, and md and medium devices assign the container class. After that let's create. So now for this container I should create, on the top we had those border on the corner border. Okay, first of all I will create those for this container. Okay, I will assign a class name corner border. So let's do the css file dot corner border. Before that, okay, before that content should be nothing, and display block, width should be, can say 160 pixel, and the same height would be 160 pixel. Border top should be 10 pixel solid, and let's assign a class purple. Okay, and same to this we should have border top and border left. After assigning this, so let's assign the position fixed, and the top should be 0 pixel, left should be -5 pixel, and the same thing we will assign for this dot corner div, and it should be after div. Okay, we had in this right corner. Okay, right bottom. We will add the same thing but just change the color and the border. The color for this should be, we can say that should be yellow, and this should be bottom, and this should be right, and also this should be border bottom and border right. So let's first of all run our server, how it looks like. We can see our, we didn't link that import home.css in the same directory. Yes, let's see it, we have this, okay, but the content class didn't apply it. So let's check it, what is the problem with that. So let's apply the position on dot corner border. Position should be relative. Now let's check it again, didn't apply it. Oh, this is position absolute, sorry, and also absolute. So let's check it. Yeah, it looks like this. So now we will add the navbar here, logo here, and the navbar, the links there. Just come here and just add here. This is the navbar with us, okay. Class name is equal to, it should be duplex, and justify content between, and here we should have our anchor tag, and it should be navbar brand, class name navbar brand, and I should write here Yusuf, and here we should write a UL list, class name now, and L3, and class name should be now item, and tag here I should write class name now link, and here I will write a link, okay, for Gmail and GitHub, and also for LinkedIn. I will write these 3 links. So to use the icons, here I will write the icons, okay. To use the icons, I will use the bootstrap icons, import bootstrap icons /font /bootstrap icons.css, and here I will use just like I, and class name should be bi bootstrap icon, bi nv look, okay, and the same thing I will write for these other 2. Just I will change the links, and this is, instead of that we will write GitHub, and here I will write linked in, and now let's write another div. It is for content, just class name flex grow 1, and it should be deflex align items center, and justify, that is to align item center. I will write here just test, okay. So now let's check it. I will just assign text color to these. Yes, the color should be text white. Does it work or not? Yes, that has came, and also the same thing. Or we can assign secondary. How it looks like? It looks like, but the white was okay. White, and the same thing I should apply these other classes. Yes, it is okay now. And now let's add here the logo Yusuf. That's not looks like, where is it? Just text white, and font size should be 1. See it how it looks like, but the font size we will check that in the CSS. And margin top should be 3. Yeah, it looks like this. Margin start should be 2, and let's apply some CSS styles in this logo. That should be right now. Bar brand color is okay. The color is white. Just to apply font size X large. Let's check it. It looks like this. And let's apply some color on this white. Check it a little bit like this. Yeah, it is okay now. So now let's add our introduction and projects list here. So to add that, I will use a div here, and assign class name deflex to this, and also here I will write, this is the introduction part, and it should have the call MD8 and call 12. For small device it should take 12 grids, but for medium device 8 part, okay, of the screen. And also the same I will write second div class name, and this should be call MD4 and call 12. In this first part I will add my tabs, okay, the text that I would like to display. The first div would be here. I should write the span tag and write welcome, or we can say it just P, and come here and just write in this P tag I will write the information about myself, okay, Control V, and also the second P tag. Write it here. Yeah, it was the first div, and also the same I will write 2 or 3 more divs, same to this, but for these I will remove the, I will just write here project, and it should be h3 tag, project 1, and you will write the detail of your project. Okay, and same to this, write one another div. Okay, project 2 and also project 3. I will just design it a little bit, the welcome page, and also the text color should be white. Let's see it first of all, how it looks like. Yeah, it looks like this, but now we will design it and we will display on all of them. I will assign a class name, content. This class would be for all of these. Yes, okay, I will just remove it from the first one, and here I will display none the content. Okay, yeah, just we have this welcome page now, so let's design this page. Align items didn't apply, so let's check it. Duplex align items center. Just add in S here. So let's add duplex class to the parent of that div. Okay, it is the parent of that, flex and flex column. Okay, to the parent of this one. Okay, so it will align the items now in the center. See it? Okay, it has aligned the items. Now let's just design this welcome, and I will assign to the welcome h4, and here I will come. That welcome font size should be 30 pixel. See it? We have this. Let's make it 40 pixel. Welcome. Okay, it looks like this, and I will just write border left to this. I will wrap these all. Make it heading start. Yeah, we made this. So now we will just change the text color of these p tags. Okay, we will change it to the secondary p tag. So yeah, I will come here to a class, to the parent class, to this one. Okay, p tag, and the color should be something gray. Okay, looks like gray. Let's check it. Okay, it looks like this. Now we should add the tabs here. Okay, whenever we click on the project should display here and this should disappear. So let's do that. So we will come to the second part of our due, to this part. Okay, yeah, to this part. I will create a UL, a list. Here the first list would be project 1, and this should be home. Project 1, project 2, project 3. Whenever we click on every one of these, so it should display the related project. Okay, that project that we has here. So first I will design this. Okay, I will design it. So let's come here and just copy this and write the CSS ULLI. First of all, UL list style type none, and also now let's ULLI cursor should be pointer, and also we should add the bottom border. Okay, to this, to add bottom border we will come here and just after content should be, I think, display, sorry, blog. So I will just pause the video to save the time, and I will write the CSS code, then I will start the video. So what I did, I just added a tag in li tag. Okay, and also I have added these projects in the top of UL list, and also the CSS code. After a tag I added these borders. Okay, see it here, this border, and also after UL, before UL, yeah, before UL I added the border, the top border. Okay, this border, and also nothing else I have did. Yeah, just I did this. So now the last thing is that whenever I click on this, okay, it should be the home. When I click in the project 1, it should be the tab of project 1. If I click on the project 2, it should be show me the project 2. Okay, so to perform this, let's do that. I will add a state, a variable. Okay, here in the tab, that should be const toggle set toggle is equal to use state hook. Okay, by default I should assign the one value, okay, to that. So now let's perform. Whenever we click on these tabs, okay, when I click on this one, and click, what it should do, I will call an anonymous function, and the name of function would be toggle update toggle, and assign 1 for that. Okay, and the same, this I will do this for other. Control C, and also for the third one, and also for the fourth one. After unclicking on second one, 2 I will pass, then I will pass 3, then I will pass 4. Okay, and now I will write the function update toggle. Okay, this function I will write it here, function update toggle, and I will catch an ID, and now I will write here something like if toggle was equal to with ID, what it should do, it should assign set toggle, it will assign 1 back to that. Okay, else if it was not equal to, I will explain it why I wrote this set toggle, then I will assign ID to that. So just now I will assign classes to these. Okay, and I will assign classes to these. Okay, I have assigned content, I will assign content to this one also. Now I will write like this. Okay, if the toggle was equal to with 1, what it should do, it will assign tab content, otherwise it will assign content class. Okay, it will assign content class. Let's remove this, assign content. Okay, the same I will add for all these 4 tabs. If the toggle was equal to with 2, it will assign tab content, otherwise content. And here, if it was equal to with 3, it will assign tab content, otherwise content. And also here, if it was equal to with 4. Now I will assign CSS code on these content and tab content classes. The content is by default display none with us. Okay, let's see it. Content is display none, but let's assign tab content display black. So now let's check it. Just come here, let's click on the home, it will display the home. Project 1, it will display as the project 1. Let's click on project 2, it will display project 2. Let's click on this. Whenever now I will display none, I will display none the home, because we don't need, home is not in the section of project. So what should I do? I will just assign class here, class name is equal to display none, because the home is not in the list of the project with us. Okay, that is not in a project. So now whenever I click on this project 1, if I click it for the second time, it will display me the home again, project 1, project welcome. For this also click project 2, again welcome. And for the third one also, the purpose of writing this logic, this logic was that for the second time when I click that, so it will assign the welcome, it will show us the welcome page. And also you can add the buttons here, like you can add a button here to write visit site. Okay, you can design that very well. Let's click on the project. When you see visit site, I will just design it. Class name text white PG transparent border bar bottom, and also let's see it. It looks like this. You can visit with the site. Also, I will assign the border lift to these other project. As I have assigned to this one, the same I will assign for yeah, you can assign for these two also. The last thing is that to add a footer. I will add a footer now in this area. It is not, I think, in the container. I will write it here. Footer. 2023 code with Yusuf. And let's assign it text secondary. Let's see it where it is here. So now I will bring it here. Yeah, it is here now. So let's click on this. See it, we have this second, third, and also the second one, first one. Again welcome, again this. So if you have liked this professional and single page portfolio, so please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.